The installation of the UAM is often the first in-person interaction a customer has with Gradian. We appreciate you being the face of Gradian to the customer and want to ensure you have all necessary resources to excel at your work. To that end, we have created this video to assist you in installing the UAM. Upon arrival at the hospital, you should find the UAM still in the crate. The UAM should remain crated until a Gradian certified technician arrives to install and train the customer on the UAM to ensure that none of the small spare pieces are accidentally misplaced. If it is no longer in the crate, please let Gradian know. You will need to bring a Phillips head screwdriver and a box cutter with you. All other tools will be provided. You will find the UAM delivered in a wooden or cardboard box. To open the wooden box, use a Phillips head screwdriver, as seen here. You can use the front panel as a ramp to get the UAM out of the box, but first you must unlock the UAM casters. To open the cardboard box, open the white clips. Inside, you will find tow ramps that will help you roll the UAM out. But first, you must unlock the UAM casters. Remove accessories from underneath, above and along the sides of the UAM and carefully place to the side, ensuring not to throw anything away. Remove the vital signs monitor box and set it aside. Unpack the work tray from its cardboard packaging and place it on top of the drawer. Screw in the oxygen sensor and connect the telephone-style cable. Some oxygen sensors come with an extra piece. This may be discarded. It is important not to open the spare sensor until it is ready to be used. Connect the pipeline hoses to the NIST connectors. Bullnose cylinders may be attached to the pipeline inlets using approved 4-bar medical regulators. Pipeline pressure is displayed on the gauge on the front of the machine. Connect E-size cylinders if you have them, ensuring that the Bodoc seals are in place. Cylinder pressure is displayed on the pressure gauge on the front of the machine. Using the emergency oxygen inlet. An emergency oxygen supply connection is mounted on the back of the machine. It accommodates differing tube sizes from Ward-style flow meters. Attach bellows assembly to UAM by placing it on top of the connector and firmly pushing down. Then tighten knurled nut fully. If you ordered a UAM with a ventilator, it will come with a bellows isolator switch already installed. Attach airway pressure gauge by pushing down collar and inserting gauge into the port. Press firmly until collar springs up. Attach patient circuit to inspiratory and expiratory ports. Attach the green plastic 30 male 30 female connector into the scavenging hose by inserting the male side into the hose. The seal is tight and requires maneuvering. The female side attaches to the one-way expiratory port underneath the Fenton balloon. Attach the 30mm hose to scavenging port, or attach a standard scavenging device. Operate the bellows. Check that it fills freely with air from the air inlet and observe that the Fenton balloon moves freely in its housing when the bellows is moved. Close the Y piece with your thumb while operating the bellows and check that airway pressure reaches but does not exceed 55 cm H2O. Connect and turn on mains power by pressing the green switch on the back of the UAM. Wait about 10 seconds for the internal supply to come on, and then check that the oxygen monitor's power light is yellow, indicating that the main supply is on and the monitor's battery is charging. Demonstrate to the customer that the mains power switch should always be left on to charge the patient monitor, oxygen monitor, and optional ventilator. Gradian strongly recommends connecting the UAM to a 2000 watt voltage stabilizer. Calibrate the oxygen monitor using both room air and 100% O2 from cylinder or pipeline if available. Note, if cylinder or pipeline oxygen is not available or is not 100% O2, only calibrate with room air. Draw room air through the system with the bellows until the reading reaches its lowest value. Press Cal, then Air, then Go. When the calibration is finished, press Exit twice. Using 100% cylinder or pipeline oxygen, set oxygen flow meter to 6 litres per minute and wait for maximum reading on monitor. Press Cal, then O2, then Go. When the calibration is finished, press Exit twice. Calibrate apnea alarm pressure transducer as follows. Make sure flow meters are set to 0 flow and reservoir bag is empty. Press Cal, then pressure Cal, then Go. When the calibration is finished, press Exit twice. Turn on oxygen concentrator using the black switch on the front of the machine. Set the oxygen output to 6 litres per minute. If using nitrous oxide, check the function of the nitrous oxide cutoff at 25% oxygen concentration as follows. Set oxygen flow to 6 litres per minute. Set nitrous oxide flow to 4 litres per minute. Gradually turn down the oxygen flow to 25% and lower. Nitrous oxide flow should cut off. Unpack the patient monitor and insert the battery. The battery is inside the foam protectors holding the monitor securely in the cardboard box. Remove battery cover, slide battery into monitor and connect as shown. To mount the monitor, remove the mounting plate from UAM top shelf. Locate the bag with the monitor mounting screws and spacers. Remove the monitor's bottom screws as shown and screw the plate to the bottom of the monitor using the provided spacers and screws. Mount onto top shelf by screwing the plate using the 2 supplied screws. Connect patient cables to monitor NIBP, SpO2, temp, and ECG. Connect mains lead from monitor to one of the 3-prong sockets on the back of the UAM. Allow batteries in patient monitor and control screen to charge for 24 hours. The customer and the technician should group all of the spare parts and training materials together and determine a safe place to keep them. Here are all the spares that you should have. Be sure to record the serial number for your installation report to Gradian. Now you have successfully installed the UAM.